Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Obuku, says the Commission will leverage its partnership with Industrial Training Fund, ITF, to provide tailor-made training and skills upskilling programs to youths in the region. Dr. Obuku made this known last week when he received ITF delegation led by Director General Dr. Hafiz Ogun at the corporate headquarters of the Commission in Port Harcourt. Obuku also called on the youths in the region to get registered on the Commission's Project Hope website to be part of the federal government's Skill Up Artisans program spearheaded by ITF.
Managing Director of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Obuku, said the Commission was interested in empowering and developing the capacity of youths in the region through efficient skill acquisition training programs to make competitive in different sectors of the economy.
So we came up with the Project Hope with one of the major responsibilities of ensuring that we put together data of youths and artisans in the Niger Delta. Because without data you cannot plan. So we felt with a proper data of our youths and artisans in the Niger Delta, we'll be able to engage most of them in areas of their competence.
The federal government, through the ITF, is implementing the Skill Up Artisans program, which is focused on training and certifying artisans to meet the growing domestic and international demands for skilled workforce. While acknowledging the far-reaching impact of the initiative, the intervention agency sought a partnership with the ITF to ensure the youths from the Niger Delta are fully engaged and are part of the noteworthy initiative.
Rather than looking outside or elsewhere, why don't we take advantage of this opportunity? And being an interventionist agency representing the entire Niger Delta region, we felt it was left for us to speak for our people and also source for these opportunities for our people.
The Director General of the ITF, Dr. Hafiz Ogun, commended Dr. Obuku-led management for its commitments to the development of the oil-rich region.
Most intriguing of all the good work done so far by this administration of Dr. Obuku is Project Hope. And I like that name very well because it's bringing hope to the youth. Project Hope, therefore, provides a critical foundation upon which this collaboration will be anchored.
Dr. Obuku also called on youths in the Niger Delta region to ensure that they are registered on the website of Project Hope so as to be part of the 14,000 skilled artisans the Industrial Training Fund will be sending to the United Arab Emirates on a manpower export arrangement.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,